What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Feel the Thump. Today we're going to be working on my 2003 Toyota Tundra. My truck's been throwing a check engine light, and it's been throwing the code P0302 and P0304. And I looked that up, and that's a misfire in cylinder 2 and cylinder 4. So before we do anything, we're gonna see how the cylinders fire. So for the V8 4.7, and I'm sure other motors too, but it goes from that cylinder 1, and then on the other side directly to it, cylinder 2. So it'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in that case, we're doing 2 and 4. So we'll go to the passenger side, which is this one, number 2 and number 4, and that's 6 and 8. So I'll be showing you guys how to replace the ignition coil on it. I'll show you what brand I went with. I went with Denso, and this is the part number right here. So to do this, it's real easy. You just take a 10mm nut, bolt, whatever, and I already loosened them, but take this out. And then I already broke this one loose too. So take those out. You unplug it. There's a little thing here. It's a little clip. You just push down and pull up, and it comes off. Push down, pull up, it comes off. We'll take out the cylinder number 2, and you see that right there? There's a big old crack in it. So that right there is probably the culprit to all of this misfiring and the check engine light coming on. It's a pretty big one, actually. So we'll replace that. Put that off to the side. Get our Denso one out, our new one. OE quality. This is made in Japan too, so it's gonna be good. What you do is stick this right in there like so. Press down on it. Put this clip on. 10mm back in. Hand tighten it. Go to the other side. Cylinder number 4. Inspect this one. Wow, there's a big old crack in this one too. Look at that. So all that arcing is coming out from the side there, causing the motor to misfire. So we'll put that off to the side, and we'll go get the other one. We got the other one brand new in here as well. Get this open, get it out. Denso, made in Japan, same part number. Throw that off to the side. Yep. And we're gonna go in, cell number 4. Go in like so. Push down on it. Clip that up. Wait for the clipping sound to pop. Get your 10mm. Stick it in, hand tie in. hand tighten. Get your 10mm. Bam. Like so. And you're done. Good to go. Let's go start it up. Oh yeah, by the way, got the new 2020 TRD wheels on as well. That thing is sweet. Anyways, let's go start it up. I still haven't cleaned the car yet either. Look at that. Look how dirty it is. I just been working on it little by little. Hopefully this does it. Everything on good. Oh yeah. Check engine light's still on, but hopefully it clears itself up. If not, I'll bring out the scanner and redo everything. But oh man, it's even more powerful than before. It was running on 6 cylinders before. I changed out the spark plugs too as well. I didn't get that in the video, but the main thing was the coils. As you can see in the video, they were pretty bad. But this is awesome. Let's go check on that. Oh yeah. Well guys, hope you guys learned something from that. It was pretty easy, pretty straightforward. Let me know what you guys think. We'll be doing more maintenance here and there as we find it. Like I said, this is a new truck. Haven't really driven it out anywhere. I've been trying to do things to make it run right. So we'll see you guys next time.